Na kabinta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublay pi baro kini kilong ki khubor bam ta kasni. Shisngi hadien bakaseng hito kabawanra e kajingja kapisa komba saus paklur AA kabami na Mawshun bat penyat pat shaki karkhana penmi daw bilat East Giant Hills District. Usketri ka hito wanbun dekhar ubawat RTI kapin ishai bakasorkar kala ay jimbit na kakerteng incidental limestone shaki santali ki karkhana cement kremdadan kanu ka kindon hapo ka mines and minerals development and regulation act 1957 MMDR act kadgum ka jingyathu uba dekhar ka jing ay incidental omshem la kentup naga kindon joka MMDR act namar ka Mawshun kalong major mineral but omla ban ay jingbit kumbala le haki minor minerals na kaliang u Dr. Mukul Sangma unong yalam liang persha haying darbar thawan ke jela ulapan pau ye ke jing e ba jing artatin ni kini ke sarkar MDA balalam khmat daka NPP u Dr. Mukul Sangma u yathu ba unwat bnya ye kani halor gar company bat pyndonkam ki jingdan u Mawshun limestone ha Meghalaya habai kran berkilat pathai khubor menta kasngi ulo ong bagani ka benta kari ka bakta bha ya kayo ka kot ba ka jingim jong ki pat ba Henry ka sarkar kampat don ka jingkit khli ka bakhan ban khmi ya kani ka benta u Dr. Sangma ulo ong ba ka jingsha pyndonkam palat bat ka jingbam don ka jingyada babyang kala wanwanra jing julon ya ka maryang bat ka jingim jong ki pat ba nong gendong ki basyang basa ha ki jaka badon u Mawshun Ola Dawa ba ka sarkar ka deban ay ka jing panchayat pat ba halor ka rukom icon khnang license but karukom shna policy kabede ka khaii daw bilan ka pisa padba kabami na ka khaii Mawshun kamdei ban tang shakti jogi katu ka ne ndai ka ban wanra jingmentoy shabaro ki padba ka jela ong u Dr. Mukul Sangma ulapan kut da ka ba ong bakaliang persya akan budien ye gane ka benta khnang man pentikna ba ka jingdon kam ban kentiu ye ka yo ka kot ka ban long ha ka rukom ka bayai ne bat ba penhun ye baro ki padba
They are all available and they are in public domain. So it's the responsibility of the government to ensure that wherever any input is available or any information pertaining to this nature is brought to the government, to the notice of the government, then government has to act upon in the interest of the state. Because any inaction allowing this kind of non-realization of revenue, particularly when it comes to royalty from mineral, you have to remember that certain provisions in respect of the to deal with the violations in respect of mineral, read MMDR Act 1957, certain offences are cognizable and therefore government has to act upon accordingly as per the requirement of the law. Now, in the instant case, I would like to tell you one thing, that in respect of mineral, the payment of royalty is required to be met and government has to realize the royalty in respect of any mineral before the mineral is sifted from the mine. You understand? When from the mine, as per the whatever mining lease is provided, rather given by the government, any removal of the mineral from that mine will have to be done after the payment of the royalty. That is the law. If it has not been done, that means there is a complicity, that is illegal, and we cannot rule out any connivance of the people in authority. Therefore, action has to be taken as per law.
Hello Meghalaya turns 1!
1 year ago, a small idea sparked a dream which materialized in the form of a screen. An OTT platform to tell stories from the heart of Meghalaya to the world. With over 3.8 lakh downloads and over 1.1 crore views. From indie creators to first-time filmmakers, Hello Meghalaya gave voices a home, a stage and a spotlight. And you, the viewers, made it all possible. 1 year down, 1,000 stories to go. Here's to more laughter, more culture, more Meghalaya.
We love Hello Meghalaya.